I'm talking about a nice day overall. We got sunshine, a little bit of high thin cloudiness. We've had some snow in Boston, a couple events of that this week, and 80% of the season's snowfall has come since February 12th. So Boston now is picked up well, I'd say quite a bit compared to what we had. We've had 8.2 inches of snow in the month of February. Big deal, huh? Well, anyway, compared to what we had back in February 2015, we had almost 65 inches. This is just really nothing. So only 31 in Boston right now. We've got 20s in many of the suburbs. These are your temperatures across the North American continent. It's pretty warm across the Gulf Coast. In the 70s there right now, destined to go up to 80 or higher. Then, of course, you go into Canada, and it's still frigid up there. And some of that Arctic air mass is coming our way. Not going to be that cold. It'll be much modified by the time it gets down here. But we are in for a couple of really cold days coming up. You'll see that on the 7-day forecast. But not really today. Goes up to lower 40s, so that's a little bit above the average for February 23rd. Here's some warm air surging up through the Midwest. On the back side, on the flip side of this, is where they're going to get a pretty good snowstorm. We'll show you that as this storm gets organized and goes right up this way, and just to the left of the storm track is where all the heavy precipitation will be happening, and it's going to be in the form of snow. Down here, actually, in the lower Mississippi Valley, they're going to be in for some severe weather. In fact, there's an enhanced to even moderate risk of severe thunderstorms with isolated tornadoes in here probably. So this is going to be a bad day here in much of portions of Tennessee and Kentucky, down into Mississippi and southeastern Missouri, Arkansas, and Louisiana. Those places in for a rough afternoon with severe weather going on there. So we have it just quiet, no issues here. A little bit of high thin cloudiness may be seen at times. More will show up late in the day, and most of it's going to be increasing this evening, thickening up. And then in the early morning hours, a little bit of snow, sleet, and freezing rain will move right across northern Massachusetts. Then that'll lift northward, and most of Sunday will be just plain rain, and coming down at a pretty good clip every now and then. Probably a ½ inch to 2/3 of an inch of rain is likely, and there could be some slippery going in the early morning hours tomorrow. The Weather Service has from 1 a.m. to 9 a.m. that winter weather advisory for mainly northern Massachusetts, close to the Route 2 corridor and points north. And then you go up into Maine, and you have that winter storm warning for several inches of snow there. Look at this narrow corridor of where they're going to get up to a foot of snow or more out here in southeast Minnesota and into portions of Wisconsin and Iowa. But for us, we get nothing more than a coating in some spots here, then working up to perhaps as much as a few to several inches in the western mountains of Maine. But we get mainly rain here, and it's about a ½ inch or so as this system comes along and moves up to the west of us, and a little secondary forms along the coast. After it goes by, we are going to have powerful winds on Monday, a very tight, what we call tight pressure gradient, big difference in air pressure over a small area. It means that we're going to have a lot of wind with wind gusts past 50 miles an hour, scattered wind damage likely on Monday. Still windy into Tuesday, but not quite as bad. But look at Tuesday and Wednesday. Behind Wednesday, only 21 for the next to the last day of February. That's something else.